Good morning to all, my dear student. I am KV Bhikshamaya, lecturer in zoology, Government Degree College, Gambhiropet, Rajendra Sirisilla. Subject zoology, topic flight adaptations in birds and also aerial, volant or flight adaptations. Birds are the only amenities whose bodies are highly specialized for aerial mode of life. Young described that birds as masters of air. Birds are good players. Their morphology, anatomy, and physiology are highly modified for movement in the air. The following are the flight adaptations of birds. First, we discuss morphological adaptations. First, body shape. Birds have a streamlined, boat-shaped or spindle-shaped body. It gives very little resistance while flying. Next, feathers. Body of birds is covered by epidermal feathers. Feathers are unique to birds. They have the following functions. 1. They reduce the weight, reduce friction. Wing feathers are used for sticking the hair. Tail feathers are used for lifting up and steering. The feathers hold a considerable blanket of enveloping air around the body and add much to its buoyancy. Next, wings. Forelimbs are modified into wings. The wings are the sole organs of flight. Both wings spring from the anterior region of trunk. During rest, they remain folded against the sides of the body, but during flight they become expanded. Next, we discuss mobile neck and head. The neck of birds is very long and flexible. Since the bird's beak is used for feeding, preening, nesting, building, offensive and defenses, and the like. Mobility of neck and freedom of movement of the head are very important. Next, bipedal locomotion. The hind limbs across the anterior position on the trunk and they become more stout for walking, running, swimming, and perching, and also bear the entire body weight while walking. The hind limbs of a bird are well specialized for an arboreal life. When a bird sits on a branch of the tree, when a bird sits on a branch of the tree, the toes close around the twig automatically. This happens due to so-called perching mechanism. When the bird settle on the branch of a tree, the legs are bent and puts the flexor tendons on the stick. With the exertion of the fool, the toys are bent spontaneously around the perch. A bird can go to the sleep in this position without any fear of falling off. This is the morphological adaptations. First, body shape, feathers, wings, mobile neck and head, bipedal locomotion, perching. Next, to autonomically modification, flight muscles. The action of the wings are controlled by a set of muscles called flight muscles. The flight muscles are highly developed in a flying birds and poorly developed in flightless birds. There are four sets of the flight muscles. They are pectoral major, pectoral minor, and coracobrious tensor muscles. The pectoral major and coracobrials brings about the downstroke of the wing. The pectoral minor brings about the upstroke of the wing. The tensor muscles keep the prepatedisium. Tenses the structure of the wind is the wings is extend the flight. Next, lightness and rigidity of endoskeleton. The skeletal framework of flying birds is very stout and lightly built on the hollow gilded principle. Most of the bones are pneumatics filled with air spaces. Per the skeleton from frame swark becomes compact, controlled, rigid due to fusion of bones. Endoskeleton of birds exhibit the following peculiarities. The skull of bones are the hands and is less in the femur. Teeth are locked. The clavicle of the two pectoral glides are fused ventral to form a V-shaped structure called a furcula or merry-thought bone or wishbone. It is work like a spring between the two wings. The sternum bears of the median ridge called keel or carina. The flight flagelles are firmly attached to the keel. In the ventral column, about 14 vertebrae are fused together to form a plate-like structure called Sensucrums. It acts as a grider to support the entire weight of the bird. It is formed by the fusion of the following vertebrae. Next, in the vertebral columns, about 14 vertebrae are fused together to form a plate-like structure called Sensucrum. It acts as grider to support to the entire. It acts as a girder to support the entire weight of the bird. It is formed by the fusion of the following vertebrae. Thoracic vertebrae 1, last. Lumbar vertebrae 6. Sacral vertebrae 2. Caudal vertebrae 5. Totally 14 vertebrae are fused together to form a plate-like a structure called Sensucrum. The last 4 caudal vertebrae fused to form phagocyte. Phago means share bone, which offers a short but strong basis for the attachment of the rectrice. Next, physiological adaptations. Physiological adaptations. The rate of metabolism in birds is very high. Food requirements are great and digestion is rapid. The beaks are variously modified to pick up selective diets. The beaks are variously modified to pick up selective diet. The absence of gallbladder in birds minimize the body weight to some extent. This is the physiological adaptations. First point is digestive system. The rate of the metabolism in birds is very high. Food requirement are great and digestion is rapid. The beaks are variously modified to pick up selective diet. The absence of gallbladder in birds minimized the body weight to some extent. Next, respiratory system. In other vertebrates, air is supplied to the lungs only once, and that is during the inspiration. But in birds, during the expiration, also air is supplied to the lungs from the air sacs. Thus, in birds, blood is oxygenated twice during single breathing. This is called double ventilation. Thus the respiratory system is highly adapted to supply more oxygen to the muscle. Next, circulatory system. Active flight requires high output of energy. High output of energy requires more oxygen. The circulatory system is highly adapted for carrying more oxygen. The blood contains large amount of the hemoglobin. Heart is large and divided into 4 chambers. This is the circulatory system in physiological adaptation in birds. Next, warm bloodedness. Warm bloodedness. Birds are warm-blooded animals. This helps the perfect aeration of the blood and a great output of energy. The constant body temperature helps to the birds to take flight at high altitudes and in all seasons. Next, excretory system. Excretory system. The excretory system is highly modified to reduce weight. First, urinary bladder is absent. Urine is in the form of semi-solid uric acid. Urine is in the form of semi-solid uric acid. This is the excretory system of physiological adaptations in birds. Next, vision. The power of eyes is very high. It has 15. It has 15. This helps birds to see objects from very high altitudes. High altitudes. This is the vision of physiological adaptations birds. Last, reproductive organs. In female birds, reproductive system consists of a single ovary and oviduct. In female bird, reproductive system consists of a single ovary and oviduct.